Okay, it should work on it now. It should work now. I just fixed it. Bro's on another planet. Bro, I changed my like setup as well over the weekend. I forgot to change it on like whatever my other app, my other settings. This is exactly what we want to see. Perfect. Perfect. We're starting to slow down. Now it all depends how our pullback is forming, because if our pullback makes it so the MA line starts to go flat again, then I'm not going to take it because we need to clearly slope down. So that's what we'll be waiting for. Nah, need the first one is crazy. Can't be saying need, bro. I'd like to take it off this candle, but Jesus Christ. Okay, what in the world was that candle? What the flip? Oh, guys, it was just IQ. It was just IQ. Everyone, chill out. It was just IQ. Fat finger. All right, so now if I wanted to get short play, we're gonna need this to dump again all the way down. All the way back down here. And then pull back, and then we'll take a candle trade right here. Off the momentum candle. Funded sport. No, when I heard there's prop firms for sports betting, I lost my mind. Why in the world is there prop firm for sports betting? For 30-second charge. Kian, that's up to you. That's up to you if you want to trade the 30-second. I like trading the 30-second a lot because it's a lot. I get different trades and I get it more frequently on the like a 30-second time frame because it's double the amount of candles. So like there's potentially more opportunity, but like if test it out and try it before you do. Test it on the 30-second on FX replay. Guys, I'm not entering off this momentum candle, even though might get a candle right here. I'm not getting in because like this pullback was way too strong and the MA line was practically flat. It could dumpy, but I'm not taking it off this high risk play. You need this thing to fall down here, back down this low, and then make a move up, and then we'll take the momentum trade after that. That's all we got. What's the longest you've gone without taking a trade? I honestly, I don't exactly remember, but I think it was longer than a week. I've had like a week where I've taken no trade. So, like for an entire week, like 5 trading days, you could say that's like the longest I've not taken a trade. I don't remember if like Monday the week after I took a trade or not, but it was like there's been a full week where I haven't taken a trade. The journal trades we use for, I don't journal anymore, like because again I'm using this strategy for a fat minute. Like I don't need to journal anymore. I journaled back like in the beginning a year and something back whenever I used to like when I was trying to learn the strategy and jotting down my mistakes that I consistently make and figuring out where the gaps are in my specific progress. And I used Notion to journal. I have a full video on YouTube breaking it down, so watch that to learn how to properly journal. But yeah, just use Notion, track your trades, and that will help a lot, like finding your own mistakes and your own learning a lot. It's like helps so much just being able to write down, elaborate on your trades, and then go back and see like what are some common mistakes that I keep doing. It's gonna get annoying, but like that's the work you got to do. Use Notion too far. Yeah, it's looking good. This is exactly what we want to see. Move down. I want to kind of move below this low, but like break this low with strength to show that we want to continue down and we're not like resisting on this low. But if you do get a pullback in momentum candle, I'll probably still enter. Just have to see how everything forms. Come on, bruh. Why you lose strength right now, bruh? Come on. Get some electrolytes. Hope there's no trade. I mean, we're kind of forming it, but I think you're fine. Gold price is crazy. Like, what's our volatility today? I'm just curious. Not that much. All right. Okay, we broke that with strength. That's clear to me. All we're waiting for now, all that's left is a pullback, momentum candle, and we're in. All right, that's all we need to see. Now we'll take our short position. Somewhere here. Come on. All we need is this one move up. and then momentum candle here, and we'll enter. That's all we're waiting for. Which electrolytes y'all take? I have the Santa Cruz electrolytes, the mango flavor. Shit's gas. Shit's so fire. Are you getting the dragon fruit? Liquid IV? Nah, I get that. Wrap that up. Bro got refined cane sugar in his electrolytes. Santa Cruz are fire, yeah. Is bro a sponsor? Alright, why are we just not dumping? I mean, why were you just not pumping now? This could be some good times for micro scalps right now. Some momentum micro scalps. Because you're dumping real strong. Okay, give me another candle pullback. Come on. Okay, we have a lot of strength. That's good. We're waiting for a pullback. This is literally it. Now, IQ does not want us to trade. Now, I'm just going to fully dump it and Q to 0, bro. Okay, now we're dumping again even lower. This is good, don't get me wrong. We just did a pullback. We reversed the whole trend. Come on, let's get a pullback. Let's get it right here. Give me another green candle. Come on. Before you want to continue, give me another green candle. Come on, IQ. I know you can give me it. I've had enough BBC, bro. Wait, what? Okay. And no pullback again. Your screen is full of them. I can relate. I can definitely relate. Come on, I need another green candle before we want to enter. We need some more pullback. It's honestly not bad. If this candle, okay, we fell way too strong. We're below the previous swing low. I'm not entering where we're that close. Even though we have a lot of strength right now, I'm not entering. If this candle closed like a little below this swing low, I'd enter. I mean, a little above it. Okay, perfect. If this green candle can hold and we get another black one, then we'll be chilling. We just need to have this green candle hold. All right, if this candle can hold, I'm down to enter. If it doesn't fucking close all the way down here, yes, I'll enter. We'll enter shorts. If this candle can hold below. It doesn't look like it's holding. Nope, no entry. Candle's wick is at least bigger than the body. Let's see if he'll give us another opportunity for another bearish momentum candle. We're gonna need this to like be pullback. Okay, no, I'm turning off that. Okay, can we get another momentum candle? Okay, now we're just way too hard. Have we tried the 1 second? All right, let's try. Let's look at the 1 second. Yo, low-key fire. You could trade on it. I'm just waiting. Screw that. Let's see if we get another setup here. We need a little more of a pullback so we have room for some good momentum candles. Okay, fires. Candles pulling back. See if maybe we can pull back a little bit more. Before it decides to flip. Honestly, If this goes a little back in drawdown, I could maybe re-enter. Now we already moved a lot back down. No. You're in. Nice. If we see this thing clearly go back and draw down a little bit, we could try for a piece. Just gonna leave here so I know. All right, I'm in off that. Let's see if we can get a nice 1-to-1 off this. Momentum candle in there. Stop loss at the high of that candle. Let's see if we can get our target at 17,932. Let's see it. We had a strong downtrend. We finally got that pullback and an okay momentum candle. Let's see what happens. Let's get some strength to the downside. Come on. Yeah, we're in off that. Off this candle. 120 is like right there. All right, getting close to stop loss. Pushing up a little bit. Let's take a piss and yell on what. And we're out. We're stopped out on that one. Stopped out on that one. That was a small trade. I'll take that. I'm still open to taking a second trade, even if we do get another momentum candle, because we're still like pullbacks are not as effective. Nothing in trade today. Girl problems going on. Yeah, IQ. Do not take a trade if like your mental's not in the right state. I just want a little more of a pullback. And we could still take another bearish candle. Do you take? Yeah, or we took that trade. Oro talking to Aro. Not so. It sounds so weird whenever I say Aro. It's like I'm talking. It sounds like I'm talking to myself. Why are we not new week opening gap? Okay, if we do get a momentum candle off this candle, I'll enter again on this one. But it needs to be a nice, strong, juicy BBC. Not a weak-ass BBC. Let's see if we'll get a BBC on this one. Your PC arrived. Let's go. Set that shit up, bro. ASAP. All right. If we get a BBC here, I'll enter. we do get a BBC here, I'll enter. I'm out. I'm okay to enter. Another one. We just gotta maintain the low of this candle, which we're not. So I'm not entering. That stop loss hurts. I'm 2% away from limit. We are approaching my end of my trading window, so we got to get it on like the next few candles. If this candle can hold, that was fire. And if this candle can hold all the way at the bottom of this candle, I'll take that. I'll take that. We just gotta hold it though. We just gotta hold it. Just got to hold it. All right, I'm in. We're chopping up a little bit, so we did enter lighter size. So let's see if we can get a nice 1-to-1 here. Move down. All right, are we going straight to stop loss? We are a little choppy though, which I don't like. Okay, we literally edged my stop loss. And I got stopped out. All right, that's it. Okay, I'm done. 2 losses for the day. That's going to be it for me. I am done. Woke up late, took 2 losses. Nah, I should have just stayed in bed. Why did Hunter wake me up? Nah, but... you know, we got valid setups. These were like A- setups. We entered both pretty light. I could just like feel my brain is not here. But this trade, not bad. Kind of we got into it late. Even though we didn't get the right entry. Probably not the best idea. But it looked pretty valid to me. We held that candle pretty strong. We had decently small wicks. We were getting some consistent move downs. And this one right here, we were already chopping up a little bit and entered off this candle, got stopped out. And market makers out to get us. Now we're dumping. Right? You can't win them all. All right, nah. This is crazy. This is actually crazy work. This is crazy work. Why are the market makers like out to get my stop loss? Problems Hunter instantly. Nah, Hunter, why'd you call me, bro? Should have let me like stay in bed. Nah, for real. Now, instant dump right after is actually insane. It's fine. We're not that down, and we're not that down today. We're not that down. We're down like 700 per, which is what? 730 times. Okay, we're down to like 3,600 total. We're down 3,600 total. And it's not bad. I'm okay with it. Right, we're still up really, really good from last week. So like these losses aren't hurting too much. Yeah, I entered one contract on this one just because I didn't really like the fact that I didn't enter off of it and I'm entering it late. And just me waking up late on the charts. I didn't want to go too heavy size, and because I could just feel my mental is not like, it hasn't taken the time to just chill out and zone in onto the charts. So like I entered one contract on each of these trades. So yeah, we lost on this one 15 points. This one's 21 points. And yeah, I didn't want to go heavier size. Even this one, I can just feel we're starting to chop up a little bit. But I mean, we kind of aren't chopping. but just ended up hitting stop loss and continuing, which is, you know, it's gonna happen. Just didn't, exactly. Setups are good, just didn't work out today. They're all valid. They all followed the rules. Pretty solid. 2 candle pullback, momentum candle entry. Not the best looking momentum candle. This one, pretty good momentum candle, entered with 1 contract. Just didn't like the fact that we were a little choppy. But again, can't win them all. We were already winning really, really good the past like few weeks. But let's see if we'll get any more winners today for the rest of this week. Just gotta let the probabilities play out. That's it. That's all it is. Here are the trades right here. And then now let's wrap up the YouTube. Hold up. So tragic, get dumped. Nah, it's actually crazy. It's a test, bro. It's a test. It's the test to see if I'll break my rules and try to gamble. But we're not going to change anything. We're not. This is just part of the lose. This is part of the process, guys.